Good morning, friends. In last class, we have discussed the tissue chapter. In this class, we will discuss the important topic of 8th standard, that is combustion and flame. Here, the word combustion means the process of burning substance in presence of oxygen is called combustion. What is combustion?
Process of burning substance in presence of oxygen.
Any substance which undergoes burning. Burning takes place only in presence of oxygen. And again, there are many necessary conditions are there for the combustion process. That is the requirement of oxygen, next ignition temperature, and any source of light. Here we have the source of light, that is candle. Along with the candle, it's need to be required, that is ignition temperature, then oxygen. The substance which undergoes combustion is called combustible substance. The substance which undergoes combustion is called as what? Combustible substance. Combustible substance are present in a solid state, liquid state, and gaseous states. The combustible substance are present in all the states. If we take when the combustion process takes place, it produces what? Heat. It produces heat. Along with the heat, the light also it produces. Light on the flame. Next, we have example for the combustible substance. There are many examples are there. That is paper, wood. Here we have magnesium ribbon and charcoal. If we perform the activity of burning magnesium ribbon, we have the magnesium ribbon here. Magnesium ribbon, it is having with the oxide film, because magnesium is a highly reactive metal. It reacts with the atmospheric oxygen and forms magnesium oxide. This magnesium oxide, it is oxide film. First we need to remove the oxide film. To remove the oxide film, we need to rub this magnesium ribbon with sandpaper. We need to remove the magnesium ribbon with
Sandpaper.
After removing the oxide film by using sandpaper, here we have the removed magnesium ribbon. When we heat this magnesium ribbon, it undergoes combustion. It undergoes combustion along with when the magnesium reacts with the oxygen, atmospheric oxygen, undergoes combustion, and it produces magnesium oxide, that is white powder. The white powder we are going to collect in this source. Here we can see the white dazzling light of burning the magnesium ribbon. Magnesium ribbon burns with white dazzling light. That is magnesium ribbon. It is converted into powder state. We can see the white color powder, that is magnesium oxide. White color powder is magnesium oxide. The magnesium ribbon, it was present in solid state. Then ribbon is converted into powder state. That magnesium is the example for combustion process.